King crab is one of the most premium and sought-after seafoods in the world, thanks to its fantastic taste and high nutritional value. The meat of king crab stands out with its natural sweetness, firm yet tender texture, and especially the rich roe. King crab is often prepared into many unique and appealing dishes. One of the most popular and beloved dishes made from king crab is steamed king crab. The crab is steamed just enough to retain the natural sweetness and tenderness of the meat, often served with a bit of sea salt and fresh lemon to enhance the flavor. This dish preserves the natural taste of the crab, allowing diners to appreciate the delicacy in every bite. In addition, king crab is also made into a tempting dish called king crab stir-fried with tamarind sauce. The crab meat is seasoned and stir-fried with a sweet and sour tamarind sauce, creating a perfect balance between the sweetness of the crab and the tangy flavor of the sauce. This dish offers a wonderful harmony of taste and color, making the meal both rich and delicious. Another special dish is king crab soup. The broth, made from the sweet essence of crab, is combined with various spices, creating a fragrant and nourishing soup. The crab meat is chopped finely and mixed into the broth, making each spoonful rich and creamy. With dishes made from king crab, diners not only enjoy amazing flavors, but also experience the luxury and refinement in every meal.